Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to talk about one of the projects that I said I would try to do with the stitch by stitch 4x4 project for the year that we're doing here at Chic. I'm seeing how many of these 4x4s that I can make in a year, and those videos for the stitch by stitch project will be uploaded every Sunday, and that will keep you up to breast with how many I've made and what they're looking like, and give you some ideas of some that you might do yourself. Now, one of the things that I said I would try to do with this is make a greeting card. And so we want to be able to utilize these 4x4s in some way, not just make them and put them in a drawer and forget them. So, of course, there's a lot of things we can do with them, but the first project that I want to show is a greeting card. In this case, it's a friendship, encouragement, affirmation type card. Okay. Now, I had this green fabric here, and I used it, laid it out, put my 4x4 on the front. Okay. My backing is just a muslin piece of backing on that. So there's two pieces of fabric sewed together here, the muslin on one side, the green on the other side. And I used the green to, just it's a little bit heavier, and it held everything well. Then when you open up the card, inside is a textile pendant. And this could be taken off and worn as a brooch or pin, or even put a necklace through it and wear it that way. It can be just left in the card. It can be taken off and pinned somewhere else. Whatever somebody wanted to do. It's just a little piece of fiber art to enhance the inside of the card. Then the paper element is sewn in down the center. There's plenty of space here for writing a personal note here and here. Then the affirmation part is printed on fabric and sewn onto the card stock. It says, "When the road is rough and the journey long, your spirit is resilient, brave, and strong. You're cared for deeply, your value immense. In this life, you matter, in present and future tense." Isn't that a nice little poetic thought for someone who may be down and discouraged and just needs some encouragement? And then on the back, I just left that blank. Could write on that some more, or someone could put something, paste something back there special to them. It's very simple. It's just using one of the 4x4s and a couple of pieces of fabric. That's about, altogether, probably about 8.5 inches long. And the width wide this way. I would just measure this and then cut the other two pieces of fabric, double it for the length, and then keep the height where it should be. I may go in and just tack that down just a little bit. They could always cut it off if they wanted to, but that would keep it from falling out when you open it up like that. And I just like the simple quote, what I'm going to say here, because there's plenty of room for writing a personal note too. Okay. All right, that's the first project, our demonstration of the way that we can use these 4x4 little pieces of slow stitch art that we're doing in the stitch by stitch project here at Chic Designs. So I hope you'll catch that video every Sunday, and there is a playlist with that title, so it's easy to go back and catch. I think I'm up to 12 different ones of these 4x4 designs. Each one will be different, and I'm going to make as many different ones this year as I can. And I will be turning them into different things I'll be making some more of these cards with different quotes, sayings on the inside. So, okay, till next time, be sure to stay scrap happy.